there, you must be here for the tour, right? Welcome to UNStudio's Amsterdam office. Come on in and I'll show you around. So this is our Amsterdam office, which is also UNStudio's global headquarters. The studio was founded back in 1988 by Ben van Berkel and Caroline Vos, and we've been in this office on the Stadhouderskade since the early 2000s. UNStudio is really built on collaboration, so from here we also share our resources with our 5 other offices around the world, which means that every project we work on gets the benefit of our full suite of services. Currently we have around 130 people based here, who come from every corner of the world and work in every specialism of design you can think of. About 85% of them are architects, who are mostly spread across the other floors. But here on the second floor, we have a real mix of fields of expertise. So we have our PAs, then our futures team, our urban team, communications, who are the loudest bunch, UNSX, our innovation think tank and experience lab, and then up the back are our unsung heroes, finance and HR. Hey, what are you guys working on?
Hey, we can't show you this one yet. It's still top secret.
But we can only say that it's a new master plan that will put a whole new spin on urban living.
Okay, best we don't film that then. Let's go downstairs instead. Now this is one of the architecture floors. Usually it's full of people, but as we're now in this hybrid home office working model, there's not so many faces around. But let's see who we can find. This is quite nice when you find sketches of projects around the place. Is this one of JetBrains?
Yeah, it is. It looks pretty rough, but this is how we start all of our designs.
And can you show me how it looks further down the line?
I can. That's how we turn sketches into architectural design.
And what's this one?
That's a city life competition.
Do you want to see the physical model? Here is the mini version of City Life.
Oh, I love these. And then you've also got South Bank by Beulah, Booking.com. Yep. Well, actually, thank you. This is the perfect segue then, because now I can take you to the model making room. Now this is probably everyone's favorite place in the studio. In here, our talented model makers turn our designs into 3D models, all perfectly to scale. Hey Stein, what are you working on at the moment?
Hey Emma, I'm trying to figure out how I can cast this recycled paper. So if you can help me out and hold this for a second.
Yeah, no worries.
Let's see. Thank you.
Well, looks like I might end up staying here for a little while longer. So on that note, thanks a lot for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed the tour of our Amsterdam office. Until next time.